Hello students, how are you all? I hope you are fit and fine at your home. Today we are going to study the subject of 5th standard, that is EVS 1. Today we will deal with the rest part of the 5th chapter, that is family values. Today we will study the advantages of cooperation, tolerance and gender equality. Okay students, before moving forward, I would like to ask something to you. See student, assume that one day your mother hasn't prepared anything for you while going or before going to school. The uniform is not ironed, the bag is not packed, the books are not in the bag, the tiffin is not prepared. What will you do? What will happen to you? Will you able to go properly to the school? Yes? Let me know your answer by commenting in the comment box. Okay students? In the same way, if your mother asked you to do something or to bring something for her from outside, and if you haven't brought it for her, will it able to do the household work? Yes? No. So here what we can say, if mother helps you, then you could able to come to school properly with your complete books in bag, with full of tiffin, as well as the well ironed uniform, or in well ironed uniform. Yes, isn't it? It means here mother helps you daily to come to school as well as in your preparation. In the same way, you need to help your mother to do household work. It means both you are helping each other. Mother helps you and you are helping to your mother. So here what do we see students? What do we learn student here? We learn mutual cooperation. There should be mutual cooperation among our family members so that we can do properly the family work. Okay? In the same way we see in matches, or in the same way we see in sports. In sports, what do we require? In sports also we require mutual cooperation. Without mutual cooperation among the players will not able to win the match. Okay? In the same way, such kind of understanding should be there. That is called as cooperation. Actually, cooperation means what? Cooperation means sharing the things with each other as well as helping to each other. For example, just now we are facing the problem of COVID-19 coronavirus. So here we see the people are helping each other. Okay, the police are helping, the doctors are helping, the nurses are helping. Okay, as well as the people or citizens are helping each other. So that is called as cooperation, mutual cooperation. Okay, so just now I told you the mutual cooperation is required in sports. In the same way, for example, I would like to refer here one of the movie, that is Chak De India. In Chak De India, we see earlier phase that some of the players do not have cooperation in between them. But at the last, in the last match, okay, we see cooperation between the players and we see that the India won the match in hockey. Yes. So that happens because of only and only cooperation. So in the same way, we should not limitate the cooperation within the sports only, but here we have to maintain the cooperation in our public life too, in our social life too, in our family life too. Okay students, have you understood? Yes. So we require cooperation. Just now I told you what do you mean by cooperation. Cooperation means helping each other, helping each other, sharing the things with each other. Okay student, have you understood? Very good. Students, just now I talked about the cooperation in the public places or public life. Okay students, for example, we could able to complete the fairs, rallies and other public gatherings or festivals. Okay, we could able to complete the fairs, gatherings, festivals, public gatherings because of cooperation only. If there will not be any cooperation in among the public, then we could not able to complete such kind of large gatherings. Okay, for example, festivals, for example, Christmas, Diwali, then Navratri, we could able to complete, we could able to celebrate it properly because of cooperation among the people only. In the same way, most of the times we see, for example, we see in front of school, do not blow the horn, and with a mutual understanding, having a mutual understanding, we do not blow the horn because there is a school. In the same way, in front of hospitals also there is written what, do not blow the horn. So there also we do not blow the horn because having the mutual understanding. In the same way, we should have mutual understanding in public life too. Okay student, as we cooperate in our family, in the same way we have to cooperate in the social life too. Okay student, have you understood? Very good. Now student, right now I am giving you some of the situations to you. Read the situations properly and try to find out the solution for it. Okay, will you? Yes, and let me know your answer below the video in comment box. Okay student, so let's have the situations. See students, here 3 situations are given. The first one, we meet a boy who has lost his way. Second, while on a trip we realize that our friend has forgotten her tiffin at home. Third, some people are stuck in the lift of a building. Students, you have to find out a solution for these situations and let me know in comment box. Okay students, very good. Think over it and find out the solution. Students, we have talked about the mutual cooperation among the people right now. Now we are going to learn very important topic here. See students, when we live in a family, then there may be possibility of having different opinions in our family members or different thoughts, because each member or each individual has its own thinking, his own ideas or his own opinions. Okay, so there may be possibility that each member or each individual may have different opinions. Okay, and because of or due to this difference in opinion, we find or dispute in our family. Sometimes we see quarrels in our family. Why? Because of the disagreements of opinions. Because of disagreements of opinions, we have disputes at our home. Okay, but here it is very important to understand others so that we can find out the proper solution for the problem. Otherwise, problems can occur, quarrels can occur or disputes can occur due to or because of the disagreements in the opinions. Disagreements in the opinions. So it should not happen. So what we have to do? We have to think about the opinions of the others and we need to accept that. We need to understand others so that we can find out a proper solution for that. Okay student, have you understood? For example, most of the time we can have disagreement with our friend, we can have disagreement with our relatives, we can have a disagreement with our brothers or sisters. Why it happens? Because of the different opinions. Okay student, then it is very important to understand others too. For example, your younger brother want to eat pizza and you want to eat burger. Okay, and father want to order only one, pizza otherwise burger. So there may be disputes among you and because of that what will happen? There may be quarrel among you. So it should not happen. So what you have to do? You have to think about your younger brother and you can agree with him, and once you agree with him there will not be quarrel because you could able to eat pizza both. Okay, so you have to think about your thoughts or likes of your younger brother too. So there will not be any disagreement, there will not be any quarrel among you. Okay, student, have you understood? So this is called as tolerance. What do we call it as? Tolerance. Tolerance means understanding others. Okay, understanding others' opinion. Understanding others is called as tolerance. Understanding the thoughts, ideas, opinions of others is called as what? Tolerance. Okay, and tolerance is very important in our country, in our India. Why? Why do you think that? Can you tell me? Yes, you can comment your answer in the comment box. Okay, so let me tell you now. In India, we see the diversity. We always say unity in diversity. It means that in India there is a lots of diversity. Diversity in religion, diversity in languages, diversity in culture, diversity in state. Okay, because of this diversity, there should be mutual understanding. If we want to run our country properly, so there should be what? Mutual understanding among the people, so that the people could able to live properly in the country. So here in India, tolerance is very, very important, because India is multi-religion country. Here we see variety of religion in India. Okay, yes, so because of that, here what do we require? Tolerance is very important. Tolerance has got a very important place in India. Okay, student, have you understood how tolerance is important in India? Because of diversity. Okay, yes, so it is very important to have understanding among us. Okay, very good. In short, we can say that respecting others' opinion, which are different from our opinion, is called tolerance or broad-mindedness. We should be broad-minded, so it should not be restricted to ourselves only. So broad-mindedness is very important. Okay, students, diversity can be preserved through tolerance in our India. Diversity enriches our social life. It encourages our social life, as well as it encourages us to think about others, okay, or others' concern. Okay, student, as well as it helps to think about our environment in a broader way, or with broad mindedness. Okay, student, have you understood about tolerance now? Very good. Students, now again one of the important problems, or one of the important topics we are going to study, that is gender equality. What do you mean by gender equality, students? Do you know anything about gender equality? See, in society we boys and girls live together. In society we men and women live together. When we live in a family, when we live in a society, men and women, or boys or girls, both should be considered as a equal. There should not be any inequality in between among us. Boys are different and girls are different. In this way, we should not discriminate them. Girls should not be discriminated, as well as boys should not be discriminated. So there should not be any discrimination in between boys and girls and men and women. Okay, students, that is called as gender equality. We are talking about here only gender equality, students. Okay, in our society we see there is inequality in lots of factors. For example, caste. Our caste system leads our society in inequality. Okay, but here we are talking about only the gender inequality. What do you mean by gender inequality? See, just now I told you, considering boys and girls to be equal without any discrimination is called as gender equality. Okay, without any discrimination, when we treat boys and girls equally, is known as gender equality. Okay, student, just now the government started one of the schemes called Minu Raju Manch. Minu Raju Manch is implemented in government school and all the schools. Why? Because to remove the gender inequality among the children. Okay, To remove the gender inequality among boys and girls, government started one of the schemes that is called Minu Raju Manch. Yes student, do you know about the Minu Raju Manch? If you know, tell me by commenting in comment box. Okay? Very good. Students, boys and girls must be treated equally. Boys and girls must be respected to each others. Okay, in our friend circle we should respect each other. Boys should respect girls and girls should respect boys. Okay, so we can maintain equality in our group or friend circle. Okay student, in our company of friends we should be treat them equal. We consider all of them to be our equals. Students, one of the important thing here we have to mind it that we should keep this value, we should keep this thinking when we grow up. Okay, as a citizen we have to maintain the gender. It should not be restricted to our childhood only, but after growing up we should maintain it too. Okay, very good. By developing this sense of equality in our mind, we can learn as well as we can develop ourselves, we can progress ourselves. Student, if you remember, in ancient age girls did not have equal place. Students, we know that in Vedic period, in earlier phase, there were 3 women scholars who had composed some of the hymns of Rig Veda, but later on their position get on decreasing. Okay, their position became secondary. Okay, because of gender inequality. Okay, but nowadays because of the implementation or because of the provisions done in the constitution, all could able to enjoy equality in our country. So here we have to keep it in our mind that there should be equality so that we can develop ourselves as well as others. Okay, students, food, clothing, shelter, these are some of the common needs of men and women, and it should be able to fulfill, or men or women should be able to fulfill their own needs. For that purpose there should be gender equality in our society. Yes, if there is gender equality in our society, what will happen? Yes, each will get equal opportunity to get progressed. Each will get equal opportunity to what? Develop themselves. So here we can see in our Indian society that everybody is getting equal opportunity to get progress, men or women. There is no difference in between them now. So women also getting what? Empowering because of this right of gender equality. Okay student, have you understood? So here, and see, the number of girls is increasing in school. Why? Because of right of education. Okay student, have you understood? Yes, in the same way nowadays we can see women are working as men are working in each and every field. Why this happen? Because of the provisions done in the constitution. Now students, I am giving you a task to you. Prepare a slogan on gender equality. Students, the best slogan will be posted in my next video. Okay students, have you understood? Yes, very good. So get ready for slogans and prepare it, write it down, type it in a comment box and post it. Okay students? Yes, very good. Students, so today what we have learned? We have learned about the mutual cooperation or cooperation and tolerance, which is very important in India. And last we have seen gender equality in our Indian society. Okay student, have you understood this much? Very good. So students, if you have liked this video, like it, share it to your friends, comment below the video, subscribe it and press the bell icon. Okay, so that you will get the current notification of new videos. Thank you. Be connected.